Okay. So that's what we were discussing about this without minimum rent account and floating recoupment. And moreover, Ramachari is a lessor and National Traders is a lessee, and they have made an agreement for 14 years, and the royalty amount is 5 rupees and the minimum rent is 1 lakh rupees. With this, and they have given also, they have also given this 4 years of output, and the number of sold, the number of lots sold they have given. See, whenever there is a sales, okay, whenever there is a sales, you have to consider and you have to transfer the royalty amount to the P&L account, not the production account. Am I clear? Am I clear? So we usually, have written that production account data to royalty account. We were transferring, no? In that, we instead of production account, so you people have to write what? You have to write P&L account because it is selling, right? So as they are selling the lots, or if it is a books, so then we have to consider it as what? We have to consider as P&L account. Please remember that while we are doing a journal or a ledger. Then one more thing that you have to remember is that, so here, see, can be recoupment in the following 2 years of deficit. See, can be recoupment in the following 2 years of deficit. So what is this recoupment in the following 2 years of deficit? See, whenever in the question, so if it is given next 2 years, following 2 years, if they have given like that, then it is considered to be what? Then it is considered to be floating recoupment. So, but they'll not give it is a floating recoupment or it is a fixed recoupment. So here we have to identify whether it is a floating recoupment or a fixed and heli. So we have to identify. Am I clear? So, if I just take an example of a fixed recoupment, see, look at the first example which we have got. What is that? See, the short workings to recouped on 3rd year. Yeah, here it is not given. 1 second. Yeah, see, the output during first 5 years as follows. Then the recovery of short workings within a period of 3 years. See, they have told within a period of 3 years, within a period of 4 years. So what is this? Up to 4 years, up to 3 years. That is considered to be fixed period, fixed recoupment. If it is given, okay, if this is as given, that is, just look into it. Okay, so the following 2 years, next 2 years. So that is considered to be floating years. Understood? Everyone?
Yes,
yes? Okay, whenever in the question, following 2 years or next 2 years, it is considered to be floating recoupment. Okay, okay, done, Shashank. Next, as we have to prepare the ledger account. So before preparing the ledger account, it is our duty to prepare what? It is duty to prepare the analytical table. Very important and very easy. So it may, you may come across 6 marks question with this. So try to understand 4 column. I'll write 4 column and I'll record the entries. So even you people record it. Okay. Then what is the royalty amount? How much is the royalty amount?
5 rupees.
5 rupees, right? So 5 rupees is the royalty amount. Just put it as 5 here. Okay. So write 5 in each of the columns. Rows, sorry. Like in each of the rows, you just fill it up as what? So as 5. And how much we get? So royalty on sales. How much is the royalty on sales?
80,000.
80,000?
80,000.
Okay. Then next one?
90,000.
90,000. Okay. Then next one?
1,10,000.
1,10,000. Okay. Done.
1,80,000.
1,80,000.
1,80,000.
Yes. Okay. Done. 1,80,000. Very good. Energy is high today. Okay. Then what is the minimum rent?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Yes. 1 lakh is a minimum rent. Just copy it down. Okay. Just copy it down in each of the column. Then again. So do you have any till short workings? Okay. till short working, it is the same procedure what we were doing. Am I clear? So then the next step will be differs. Okay. So what is the short workings? Do we have a short workings in the first year, that is 2011? Do we get
Yes,
any
ma'am.
short workings?
Yes, ma'am. 20,000.
Yeah, we get what? We get as
20,000.
20,000 as a short workings. Yes. Next year,
10,000.
10,000.
okay, 10,000 is the short workings. So in the next year,
No, ma'am.
no. In the next year,
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
no. Okay. So now, okay, tell me. So in 2011, as this short workings, okay, 20,000, how much we have paid to, how much we have to pay to this landlord?
1 lakh.
Yes, how much?
1 lakh, ma'am.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. So even though we had earned only 80,000, we need to pay how much? We need to pay 1 lakh rupees to
1 lakh.
this landlord, right? And moreover, how can we recover this amount? How can we recover this amount? So here, as they have told what? Following 2 years of deficit. Please try to understand. I'm just adding, I'm just inserting shape here. So just look into it. Okay. This amount, that is 20,000 amount, can be recouped within 2 years. Am I clear? Am I
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Am I clear here? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
done.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next, this 10,000, again we have a short workings of 10,000. So this 10,000 can also recouped, okay, can also recouped within 2 years. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, 2011 short working will be recovered in 2012 and 13.
Yes.
2012 short working will be recovered in 2013 and 14. Correct,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes, right. Everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Clear? Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Very good. So this 20,000 can be cleared in 2012 and 13, and this 10,000 can be recovered in 13 and 14. Very good. Then, so as we couldn't able to recover, so we just move on to the next year. So can we recover this 20,000 in 2012? Can we
No, ma'am.
able to recover?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No. Then how much we have to pay to this landlord?
1
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh we have paid. Okay. Then, so to recover this 20,000, okay, to recover this 20,000, remaining is only 1 year. So I left with what? I left with only 1 year to recoup this amount. That is 20,000. So as okay, how much I have earned here?
10,000. ma'am.
Extra.
Extra
1
10,000.
lakh 10,000.
Extra 10,000 I have earned. So how much I can recoup?
10,000.
How much I can recoup?
10,000.
10,000.
10,000. I can recoup only 10,000 here, right? So as it is the last year, okay, as it is the last year for recouping, for recoupment. So do I have any irrecover amount? Do I have
No, ma'am.
any irrecover amount?
No, ma'am.
No or yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. 10,000.
No.
10,000.
Yes or
ma'am.
no? Because somebody is saying yes and somebody is saying no. Yes or no? See, okay, I'll just repeat it again. Oh, connection is unstable. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
recoup this 20,000, see, to recoup means receive. To receive this 20,000, I have 2 years, that is 12 and 13. Within this 2 years I have to recover my loss, right? So as you know, as in this 2012 also I have earned, I have incurred a loss. I couldn't able to recover that loss. So in the next year, I have earned extra only 10,000 rupees. Okay, only 10,000 I can recover. The rest amount will be considered as what?
Recovered.
Irrecoverable.
Irrecovered.
So agree? Agree what I said?
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. So now, how much I have to pay to landlord?
1 lakh.
Are you
1 lakh
sure?
rupees.
Are
1
you sure
lakh.
1 lakh? Yes.
1 lakh 10,000.
1 lakh.
No,
How
no,
come
ma'am.
1 lakh 10,000?
No, ma'am.
See, try to understand. Even though we have earned income, okay, so the extra income, we have a loss, right? We have a loss. So that loss has to be
Okay,
recouped.
okay. It will be
Recoup
tallied over
means
there.
recover. After recovering that loss, we can give what? We can give an extra amount. To whom?
Landlord.
Yeah, to the landlord. So as you know, as we have earned only 10,000, okay, so as we had earlier we had how much of loss? We had 20,000. Out of 20,000 we could able to recover only 10,000. So 10,000 matra recover ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Then the rest of the rest amount, the rest 10,000 will be considered as what? Will be considered as irrecoverable amount, and it has to be considered as a loss. Okay, it has to be considered as what? It has to be considered as loss. And you know, out of this 1,10,000, 10,000 has been taken, right? Taken by us, and the remaining 1 lakh rupees has to be paid to this landlord. Am I clear?
Okay.
Am I
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next year, that is in 2014, how much is the amount? How much is the
1 lakh
amount?
80.
1,80,000, right?
1,80,000.
So out of this 1,80,000, so how much is the minimum rent?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
So extra profit is how much?
80,000.
80,000, right?
80,000.
Yeah, out of this 80,000, how much we had a short workings?
10,000.
10,000,
10,000.
right? Only 10,000, not 20,000. Because
80,000.
this 20,000 can be recouped only this 2 years, that is 12, 13. Within 12, 13, I have to recover that 20,000. But this 10,000, I have a time period up to what? Up to 2014. So that is 13 and 14. Within this 13 and 14, I can recover what? I can recover my loss. So while I'm recovering this loss, so tell me, you know, this 10,000 can be recouped.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How much I can recoup?
Yes, ma'am.
10,000.
10,000.
Yes.
10,000.
So we can recoup 10,000 here. We can recoup how much? We can recoup 10,000. Is there any irrecoverable amount?
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am.
Right. So then how much I have to pay to landlord then?
1,70,000.
1 lakh?
70,000.
Very good.
7.
Like I just have to appreciate you guys. So, even though we are in, lockdown and we are doing, online classes, I'm happy about it. That you people have learned in online, that too floating recoupment. Very good. So I'm happy. Okay, but everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. 1 second. Okay, the one who have missed, because most of you people have lost the connection. Okay, so there is only 6 minutes. I'll take only 2 minutes to explain it. So as it is a floating recoupment, so floating means, recurring in nature. So what they have told, following 2 years of the deficit, that is, it may be of next 2 years, or it may be of following 2 years. They may, give like that. So if they have given, so it is considered to be floating recoupment. So while, till this short workings, it is the same procedure what we were doing earlier. Okay, so as they have given 2 years of deficit, see 20,000. So this 20,000 is a short working, and this short workings, we have a period, we have a 2 years of period to recover that loss. Okay, we have a 2 years of period to recover that loss. That is, so if we incurred a loss in 2011, that loss can be recouped within what? Within 12 and 13. Within 12 and 13, I have to recover my loss. Same in the 10,000. So 10,000 loss can be recouped. Okay, 10,000 loss can be recouped within what? Within 2 years. That is 13, 14. So 2012 loss can be recouped in 2013 and 2014. So within this, I have to recoup what? I have to recoup my loss. So when I again say 20,000 is a loss, and 20,000 here again I have earned this. Sorry, yeah. Again in 2012 I have incurred a loss. So I'll move on to the next one next year, that is in 2013. In 2013 I have earned 1,10,000. So that is extra with 10,000 profit. That